All right, there's a first for everything. Let's do it. First time pulling over a truck driver. All right, here goes nothing. I'm gonna make this guy miserable. Hello, sir. You know why I pulled you over today? Honestly, have no idea. You were speeding, sir. I caught you going 75 and a 60. 75 and a 60? Seriously? My truck is governed. Yup, got it on the radar. You've got the wrong guy. It's impossible. My truck doesn't go past 65. No, I don't. I got the right guy. You understand the word governed, right? It's governed at 65, right? I caught you going 75 down the hill. And besides, that's what they all say. Even if I'm going down the hill, it'll engage the engine brake, so I can't be going that fast. Forget it. License, registration. Let's go. For what? License, registration, and a copy of your logbooks. Let's go right now. Fine, fine. Here you go. Thank you. Woohoo! I did it.